Everyone that's coming is able to see the incredible detail, the colour, the vibrancy and the natural image that you get with Dolby Vision on the new Philips TV sets.
The key to the quality of the set is the in-house developed P5 processor.
What we'll do in this clip is we turn Dolby Vision on and off, so you can see the difference that Dolby Vision is making.
So it's more than just the technology in the TV, it's really an end-to-end approach.
It can give you a better window into the world, how it enables the storytellers to really give you a window into a very natural world that they want to portray.
We can make the most out of the capabilities of the TV by allowing the creators to send this additional information with the image that makes sure that it's presented authentically and realistically.